life was dull until you came.
Hey friends, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. So today I am starting off my spring cleaning series, and I am going to be deep cleaning all of the rooms in my home from top to bottom. So I hope this gives you all of the motivation you need to start spring cleaning if you haven't already. This video is jam-packed with satisfying cleaning motivation, so make sure you stay until the end to see the major transformation. And I am also super excited because I am doing a giveaway with Super Clean in this video, so make sure you stay tuned to hear more details shortly and about how you can enter to win during this video. And with all of that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so I wanted to start off with cleaning the light fixture in my bathroom since I have never cleaned it, as you can see from the close-up I'm about to show you in a bit. It was super dusty and needed a really good wipe down to get it nice and shiny again. Alright guys, so I wanted to talk about this giveaway with you guys. So Super Clean had reached out to me to test out their cleaning products initially, which I did make a more detailed review and impression on. So I will have that video linked above in the cards for you all, as well as in my description box for you all to see after this video if any of you are interested. But they reached out to me again to see if I wanted to do a giveaway with their products to not only one person, but to 3 lucky winners. So I was super excited and agreed right away because I absolutely love their products and know that you guys would love them just as much. So the winner will receive a 4-pack of Super Clean products, which includes the original foaming aerosol and all-wheel cleaner, plus a Super Clean hat and shirt like the one I am wearing, but your choice of color that they offer. I will talk about how you guys can enter later during this video, so make sure to keep on watching.
Spending time like it was going backwards. Bruises covering our walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind. Breathing in and breathing out to get smarter. Not working out for me, yeah. Got no money on my mind. Tell my mommy I'm alright. Even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, needing tidy all the time. If you ask me
So I am going to be using the Super Clean foaming cleaner to clean my tub, and I have used it once before on my bathtub already and loved how clean and shiny it turned out. I also tried this cleaner on my oven and was amazed at how easily and with little effort it took out all of the grease and grime. So this one is definitely my favorite of the cleaners that I have tried out. If you guys haven't heard of Super Clean before, their products are biodegradable, phosphate free, and do not contain any bleach. So they are safe to use to pre-treat stains on your clothes or to remove stains out of your carpet. So I am just going to be giving this tub a good scrub and washing it down.
I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time. Until the end of time.
Alright guys, so if this is your first time watching any of my videos, my name is Sydney and I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom to twin 2-year-old boys named Aaron and Noah. So that pretty much explains all of the potty seats in here. They have pretty much taken up our master bathroom since it is the most spacious out of the two that we have. But on my channel, you will find a lot of cleaning motivation and lifestyle related content. So if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure you are subscribed to not miss out on any future videos that I post. And I would love to have you be a part of my family.
We run away to get us up when we're low. Just chase the waves, we'll make it up as we go. If you're heavy, I'll show you where to go. Won't you set free? Behind the town for low, we run away to get us up when we're low.
So I did want to make sure my baseboards were wiped down and clean as well, since I hardly ever clean them, and especially around the toilet area, since it is really hard to get around this area to clean. So I am using the Method disinfectant cleaner to wipe this area down and get rid of all of those germs as well. Alright guys, so to clean the rest of my baseboards in here, I am using the Super Clean Original Cleaner Diluted, since they do provide a dilution chart for you so you can see how you are able to use their products on different surfaces, which I absolutely love and is super convenient. They do have this chart on their website as well. If any of you want to check their website out, I will have it down here below for you guys, as well as in my description box.
It's time to break the rules, we make our way. Turn what we say to memories. Hey, even if I lose my ground, I won't let it hold me down. We will go our way until we go flatline.
Alright guys, so now I'm going to be wiping down all of my doors as well, since they were pretty bad. As you can see how dusty they are, and it had definitely been a while, so I made sure to give them a good wipe down and get all of those nooks and crannies cleaned up as well.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? A scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve.
Alright guys, so now I am going to talk about how you can enter to win this giveaway. So first, you must be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and answer this question. What is your least favorite area to clean? My least favorite area I have mentioned several times on my channel, but it is definitely my bathroom, and folding and putting away laundry is also one of them. I'm always pushing it aside, and it is something I definitely need to work on. So that is pretty much all you have to do to enter. I'm wishing you all luck, and thank you all so much for watching my videos and for all of your support. This giveaway will last a week, so you have up until March 6th to enter, and I will select the winners randomly. And once I let you know you won, I will need your email to send it over to Super Clean's team, in which they will contact you afterwards.
Play on, play on. I'm your limbo, you're my intermission. Just look at the state we're in. I breathe you in and I can tell where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Where does it come from?
Yeah. You get everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young, pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. I just can't give up. I just can't give up.
Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. I hope it gave you tons of cleaning motivation to get your spring cleaning started. If you made it this far, leave me a hashtag superclean. It just lets me know who watches my videos fully and really helps out my channel more than you know. So I appreciate all of your support and for sticking with me until the end. Also, I would like to thank SuperClean for this giveaway and for this amazing opportunity to give back to all of my viewers. And if you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
I just